Hi everyone! Today I'll guide you through setting up the Ledger Live for a maximum security. Let's lock in those assets. Let's get started. First, open your Ledger Live app on your computer or phone. Then on the welcome screen, click the Get Started. Next, choose a device, Nano X, Nano S Plus, or Nano S. Then hit Select. The first time of using your device, click Set up a new device and generate a new private keys and create a fresh account. Or if you already have one, you can restore from recovery phrase. And for the complete device setup, now follow the on-screen instructions. You can set a strong pin, secure a write, and or write down your 24 words recovery phrase, and also never share it. This is your only backup. Then to enable the password lock, once the setup is complete, go to the settings, then click the security and enable the password. Lock the device verification for extra protection. And that's how you set up your Ledger Live in the right way, securely and safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more crypto tips. Comment below if you've got questions. Stay secure and chill. Thanks for watching.